Hi everyone, and a big hello. If this is your first time here, I'm so happy you found us. And if you've watched my videos before, welcome back. It's great to see you again. If you're thinking about using Squarespace to build your website, whether it's for a business, blog, or portfolio, you've probably seen that they offer two main ways to pay, monthly or annually. And you might be wondering, what's the real difference? Is it actually cheaper to pay for the year up front? Well, you're in the right place, because today we're breaking it all down in plain, simple terms. No jargon, just the facts to help you make the best decision for your budget. And stay with me, because I have a special surprise for you, a way to save even more money on Squarespace. You'll want to hear this. Like many online platforms, Squarespace gives you a discount if you commit to a full year. Paying monthly is like renting month to month. It's flexible, but costs more over time. Paying annually is more like signing a one-year lease. You're committed, but you save quite a bit overall. For example, let's look at their personal plan. If you go month to month, it might cost around $25 per month. But if you switch to the annual plan, the monthly cost drops to about $16, billed as a one-time yearly payment. That's a $9 difference per month, which adds up to $108 saved over the course of the year. This kind of discount usually applies to all their plans. So if you're eyeing a business or commerce plan, the total yearly savings could be even higher. Please note that these prices are accurate as of the time I'm recording this video, but pricing plans might change, so be sure to check the link in the video description for the most current Squarespace pricing. Now, how do you decide which option is best for you? Go with monthly if you're unsure how long you'll need the site, want smaller payments, or prefer flexibility with the option to cancel anytime. But if you're in it for the long haul and want to get the best deal possible, the annual plan is usually the smartest move. And now, the surprise I promised. Because you're here and part of this awesome community, I've got something extra for you. An additional 10% off any Squarespace plan. Just use the special discount code linked in the video description below. And yes, that's on top of the savings you already get for choosing the annual plan. So when you're on the Squarespace pricing page, be sure to toggle between monthly and annually to compare the cost. And don't forget to use that code to save even more. I hope this helped you feel more confident about which plan is right for you. If it did, give this video a thumbs up, leave your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more straightforward tips on building your online presence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.